A factory's function of production is incomplete without lifting. Lifting operations ease the material handling process and drastically reduces manual efforts. The hazards in lifting operations are many, including overturning, overloading, collision, failure of equipment, loss of load, and operator's error, but to avoid them is in our hands. As the name suggests, a lifting operation is concerned with lifting and lowering of a load with the help of lifting equipment including crane, crab, winch, pulley block, gin wheel, etc. And along with these equipment, chain sling, rope sling, hook shackle, swivel, clamp tray or similar appliance, whether fixed or movable, are used in connection with the raising or lowering of load. In India, nearly 18% accidents are caused due to material handling. In Gujarat, as per your 1994 report, 2,686 serious incidents out of 15,683 were due to material handling. According to the facility executive blog, more than 1.5 million workers' compensation claims for workplace injuries, including material handling, which is 32% of the total claims, are filed between 2010 and 2014 from a variety of business sizes and industries. At Tata Chemicals Mithapur, in the past 10 years, we have recorded many serious injuries caused due to lifting operations. Hence, to avert such cases, we have some legal requirements for lifting machines, chains, ropes and lifting tackles to follow. No lifting machine, chain, rope or lifting tackle except a fiber sling or fiber rope shall be used unless it has been examined and tested by a competent person. He or she should produce a certificate of test and examination which clearly specifies the working load. A register in Form 10 containing the particulars therein specified shall be readily available for every examination made. Every jib crane should be constructed in such a way that it shall have an attached automatic indicator of safe working loads, an automatic jib angle indicator and a table indicating the safe working loads at corresponding indication of the jib or corresponding radii of the load. All kinds of safe working load shall be posted in the storeroom or in a place where the chains, ropes or lifting tackles can be kept in prominent positions on the premises. All lifting machines, chains, ropes and lifting tackle except a fiber rope or fiber sling which have been lengthened, altered or repaired by welding or otherwise shall not be used again unless it is adequately tested and examined by a competent person and certified in writing by him. In the next video, we shall learn more on the precautions taken while operating the lifting machines and lifting tackles and best practices by Tata Chemicals for lifting operations. Stay tuned.